Hello guys, welcome to Technical Manii. This video is the tutorial of YouTube Studio for every new YouTuber or for every old YouTuber who wants to see analytics of his video, detailed analytics on Android. Mainly we can see the detailed analytics on computer screen, but the mobile YouTube Studio also shows this. Now these are comments. These are totally comments of all your videos on all your videos. You can see here what are your comments from the people. Okay, now these are videos. You can click on any video and get detailed analytics of it. You can see how. For example, I will click on this video and I will click on view more. Okay, this video is the most viral video of my channel, and I will click on view more. Then it will totally show what is the watch time, real time views in 48 hours, views, audience attention means how much time audience is watching, and traffic source type means from where the views are coming, external channel page, YouTube search, create YouTube features, others, etc. And then we will go on discovery. On the right side we will see discovery. There are totally 181 impressions, means our video has been shown to 181 people, and from that 13% have clicked on it. And traffic source type, top external source type, and top YouTube search term. Then this is audience, gender, age, top geographies, India, Pakistan and Indonesia. My video is mostly seen in India, and then Pakistan, then Indonesia. Then we'll swipe more on right, then we'll say interactive content. Teaser clicks per card, teaser shown, channels per clicks per card shown, etc. Means there are so much detailed. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video.